Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a beautiful stainless steel packing table. It's about 20 feet in length. Has, as you can see, the interlock style chain. It's operating on 120 volt variable speed. You'll see the DC control. The motor is 90 volt DC. The speed controller there. Lower stainless frame. Does have some connecting mounts here for the casters, which are in plain steel. The body of the conveyor is all stainless steel. Great for most packaging applications where semi-automatic and such. We have lots of these in our stock. If you're doing assembly and packaging work that does require work by hand. You'll find this on our website. From the home page, go to the menu on the left hand side and you'll see conveyors there. And that opens a subset of all different types of conveyors. This will be under our belt conveyors. Because of its size, we're outside this morning. Makes it easier. It'll be brought up into the warehouse shortly. Thanks for joining us for this video today, and we hope to hear from you soon.